In front of me is Honor Magic V3 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Then select Fonts over here and download a perfect one for you by clicking on it. Then hit download at the bottom, wait, and when you're ready, select apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, you can select Me over here, tap on Default or Android, select Apply, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!